Hello, everyone, and welcome to Intern Success Project Spotlight. In today's video, we will showcase the projects of our golden learners, the interns who have successfully completed all 5 assigned projects during their 1-month internship program. We'll take a closer look at their work, the skills they demonstrated, and how they applied their knowledge to real-world tasks. Let's dive in and explore the impressive projects these interns have accomplished.
Meet Abdul Rafi Minhas, a talented front-end developer and one of our Gold Interns from the July Batch 5 program. He's actively sharing insights and updates on LinkedIn, showcasing his experience, education, skills, and certifications. His LinkedIn profile is impressive, and he has also earned his certificate with us. Beyond his program achievements, Abdul offers services that anyone interested can explore. Let's dive into his standout projects.
As part of his web development journey at Intern Intelligence, Abdul Rafi Minhas designed and developed a modern and responsive login page. The project features a clean user interface with a responsive layout, email and password fields with a Remember Me option, and convenient Forgot Password and Sign Up links. It includes Firebase authentication integration, proper form validation and error handling, and smooth animations for a seamless user experience. Now, let's move on to his second project.
Next, Abdul Rafi Minhas developed a movie website during his internship at Intern Intelligence. Built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, this responsive and interactive platform showcases his projects, skills, and achievements in a clean, user-friendly layout. The website reflects his passion for front-end development and serves as a digital space to demonstrate creativity, technical growth, and commitment to continuous learning. Now, let's move on to his third project.
Next, Abdul Rafi developed a fully functional e-commerce website. It features a home page with products and promotions, product filtering and detailed views, a secure cart and checkout, user accounts, and even an interactive quiz page. The site is responsive and mobile-friendly, showcasing his skills and creativity. Now, let's move on to his fourth project.
Abdul Rafi Minhas developed a personal portfolio website showcasing his projects, skills, and achievements in a clean and responsive layout. The site features smooth animations, organized sections, and a professional design that highlights his creativity and growth as a front-end developer. This project demonstrates his dedication to creating user-friendly and visually appealing web experiences. Now, let's move on to the next project.
For his final project, Abdul Rafi Minhas built a banking website featuring a user-friendly dashboard, account management, fund transfers, bill payments, and secure authentication. The platform combines robust security with a clean, responsive design, providing real-time updates for an engaging user experience. This project highlights his ability to create fully functional, professional web applications. Thank you, Abdul Rafi Minhas, for sharing your impressive work. Now, let's move on to our next intern.
Meet Hamza Rafiq, a passionate cybersecurity intern who actively shares insights and updates in the field. With a strong foundation in education, hands-on experience, and a diverse set of skills, Hamza has successfully completed our internship program and earned his certificate. Let's take a look at the projects he has worked on during this journey.
Hamza's first project was a web application penetration test. For this task, he used tools like Burp Suite and OWASP Zap to identify vulnerabilities in the controlled OWASP Juice Shop environment. He successfully demonstrated his defensive security skills by documenting his findings. We congratulate Hamza on this successful project, and now we will move on to his second one. Hamza's second project was a malware analysis. For this project, he used tools like Ghidra and Cuckoo Sandbox to perform both static and dynamic analysis on a malicious software sample. His goal was to deeply understand its behavior and security impact. We congratulate Hamza on all the successful work he's done during his internship, and will now move on to his third project.
Hamza's third project was an incident response simulation. He simulated a ransomware attack on a Linux server and successfully managed the entire process, from detection and containment to system recovery. We congratulate Hamza on this successful project and will now move on to his fourth project.
Hamza's fourth project was a security policy review and enhancement project. Using industry standards like ISO, IEC 27001, and the NIST cybersecurity framework, he reviewed existing security policies, identified gaps, and strengthened the organization's overall security posture. We congratulate Hamza on this successful project and will now move on to his final project.
Hamza's final project was a secure code review. For this task, he performed a detailed analysis of a small Flask web application. He successfully identified high-risk vulnerabilities, such as hard-coded passwords, and provided detailed recommendations on how to patch them. We congratulate Hamza on all the successful work he's done during his internship, and will now move on to our last intern.
Our final intern for this video is the talented front-end developer intern, Mohammed Talha. Talha stands out with his strong education and experience. He successfully completed his internship and earned a certificate from us. We congratulate him, and now we will take a closer look at his projects.
Talha's first project was a modern and secure login page he developed using Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and Firebase. In this project, he designed a fully responsive user interface with real-time validation, allowing users to log in and sign up securely. We congratulate Talha on this successful project, and now we will move on to his second one.
Talha's second project was a personal developer portfolio he built using Next.js and Tailwind CSS. In this project, he created a responsive and modern website with a clean user interface to showcase his projects, skills, and contact information. We congratulate Talha on all the successful work he's done during his internship, and will now move on to his third project. Talha's third project was CineVault, a movie discovery web app powered by the TMDB API. Using Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and TypeScript, he created a dynamic and responsive interface that allows users to search for trending movies and view detailed information. We congratulate Talha on this successful project and will now move on to his fourth project.
Talha's fourth project was Byloom, a modern e-commerce platform. Leveraging the power of Next.js and Tailwind CSS, he developed a responsive website with product listings, a cart system, and a checkout interface. He also successfully integrated Sanity CMS to manage order data. We congratulate Talha on this successful project and will now move on to his fifth and final project.
Talha's final project was Flowbank, a secure digital banking platform. Using technologies like React and Firebase, he created a real-time and responsive interface with core banking features like secure authentication, transfers, and bill payments. This project gave him hands-on experience with secure authentication and real-time databases. We congratulate Talha on all the successful work he's done during his internship. And with that, we've reached the end of our video showcasing the projects of all the interns who successfully completed our program with all tasks. We thank each of them for their dedication, creativity, and the impressive projects they delivered. As Intern Intelligence, we are incredibly proud of their achievements and wish them all the best in their careers. Stay tuned to hear about our future projects and new success stories. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.